the authority on how personalized customer service becomes a competitive advantage and delivers for the bottom line. He's worked with companies including Lexus, Nordstrom, the Ritz-Carlton, Starbucks, and many more. Any of you who've shopped at Nordstrom's or stayed at the Ritz know exactly what I'm talking about. Please welcome John DiJulius.
In 2010, I had one of the coolest jobs ever. I had worked with Starbucks before, but they called me up and said, we want you to help us create a new customer service vision. No one does that better than me. I was so excited until I asked the question, what is your current customer service vision? This is it. To inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, one neighborhood at a time. Damn, that's pretty good. I didn't tell them that. I said, that sucks. Like, you guys even making money over there? I'm like, so what don't you like about it? They said it's too big. Too big to get our employees' arm around it. They want it to be easy for all employees to understand, measurable, actionable, trainable. That isn't. You probably don't even remember it already. They loved it. It's Howard Schultz's words. So they moved it up to their purpose. That might happen over the results of 5 years, 200 times, that they'll inspire and nurture your human spirit. But that isn't actionable every day. So what we had to do, what we do with every company, is we wanted to take a look at a day in the life of a customer so we can empathize and be more compassionate. What's a day in the life of a Starbucks customer? Everyone here, right? From the moment you get up, it is crazy. It is a blur. Trying to get kids, off to school. And just the frantic rush there. Keeping up with our commitments and on time for everything. And the, traffic and the lovely world of road rage. Construction. So Starbucks can't change what's going to happen to you, but maybe they can change your mindset of how to handle it. So this is Starbucks service vision. It's so simple. First, they don't give you manuals. They give you the green apron. Green apron's very symbolic. Everyone has one. They hand you the green apron, and on it, they call it their customer service manual. So the next time you go to Starbucks, even here, and you see someone with a green apron, everyone has it on, ask them to turn over the top. Because it's not for you to see, it's for them to see. It's for them to put on and be reminded. And you'll get to see their service vision, which is, we create inspired moments in each customer's day. That's the what. How is the 4 pillars. Anticipate, connect, personalize, and own. Anticipate is pay attention to your speed of time. If you're in a suit, it's 6:10 a.m., and you won't look up from your smartphone, you got someplace to be, you don't want to chit-chat. Versus a soccer mom at 9:15 after she drops her kids off. Connect is if I know you, have your drink ready, say something about you, or if I don't know you, just make a comment about the blouse, the shirt, the glasses. Personalize. There is over 80,000 ways you can order your Starbucks. Personalize it for however you want it. Own is my favorite. If someone takes a sip and doesn't like it, is that not what you wanted? I'd be happy to make you another one. Or, you've been made to wait too long at a Starbucks. After that, you pay and they thank you for your patience. They give you this card that says your next drink is on them. I love that. Starbucks has recognized a reoccurring service defect that they can't eliminate. They can reduce, but they can't eliminate. They've empowered their frontline employees to make it right. Walt Disney. Many of you have been to Walt Disney World. Their service vision is to create one of the most special memories in a person's life. That's internal. One of the things I get asked about is, do you really think you can get employees to bring their A game every day to work? Isn't that a little unrealistic with all the things they have going on? Absolutely they can. If you really show them how they connect to the service vision, their purpose. So to drive this home, I got to go to Disney. I got to go underground. Magic Kingdom is a whole underground where employees punch in, punch out, and take breaks. I'm touring underground, and I see Snow White on break smoking a cigarette. She's like, that idiot called me last night, and she's complaining about some guy. I'm like, holy cow, this is Snow White. A few moments later, she walks back inside. She freshens herself up. She goes, punches back in. She goes up these stairs, through these bushes. She reappears on Magic Kingdom's ground. 15, 5, 6, and 7-year-olds come charging at her. She turns back into this angelic, beautiful princess, posing for pictures, signing her pads. Downstairs in the parking lot on break, she was Susie Smith that was 21 that had jerked for a boyfriend or a dwarf or whatever he is. My 6-year-old was there to see Snow White. It's exactly what she gave him, right? Because they understand. Negative cues. We have signage. This is the worst. This is the worst everywhere. I mean, these are all real signs. I'm speaking in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm jogging in the morning. Jogging by this high-end outside lifestyle mall with all the beautiful shops. This is a high-end wine bar. Beautiful wine bar. This is their door to get in. It has 14 no's on it. No athletic pants, shoes, shirts, no hats, no Bluetooth devices, no excessive jewelry, no baggy clothes, no T-shirts, no muscle shirts, no ripped, torn, or frayed clothing. What are they worried about? Take those all off and leave the last line on there. Business casual, business attire suggested. Bam, problem solved. That was 2 years ago. I went back literally last month, jogged by the same shopping center, and out of business, right? So look for negative cues. This is a doctor's office. This is an actual picture. Windows closed at the reception. Please sign in and have a seat. This includes drop-offs. There's only one person working here. Please have patience. Do not stand in front or knock on the window. If no one is present, I'm either assisting another patient or handling specimens. Do we have negative cues? Don't punish 98% of the customers for what you're worried about 2% are doing. Can do.